Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting unboxing to do. Some Louis Vuitton, you can see it is a box. I actually ordered this a while ago. When I asked one of the SA if I could get this bag, she basically told me it was impossible. It's probably easiest if you can to look through online if that's something you really want. Unless you're spending lots of money, SA is not usually willing to help you, but here it is. This box. I know in America they don't actually ship you the bag, but in Australia when you order online they actually send you the shopping bag as well. So I'm gonna open this. And it comes with a nice dust bag. And has a receipt and stuff inside. Okay, here it is. And my new Louis Vuitton, the Escale Neverfull. And at the bottom, it's like that. And also inside is nice purple and comes with and zip closure. And then comes with the pocket. Like that. And inside is a fabric lining. So this is the Neverfull in Louis Vuitton Escale collection, and this colors in pastel. It comes in also red and blue as well. And then what I also love about this is at the back it's not a giant monogram, so depends on what you're feeling, you can change it up on this side or like carry it on this side, and you can actually scrunch up the outside. And when it's smaller, it just looks like that. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. For some things like limited edition, I know it is hard to get, but for me it is best to just refresh the website on a regular basis and then just to see if there is any stock. Even if it's not available, if it's just released, there are a chance that they will restock, and you just have to make sure you're ready to purchase that as soon as you see it. Just because I don't buy a bag like this on regular basis, for me, it worked the best to just look up online and purchase when it was possible. But I was also looking at things like mini pochette in this color, but that never went available on online as far as I know. So there are things that it's really hard to get. I hope you enjoy unboxing video today, and please comment down below for any suggestions. Thank you.